So the gallery is have a quick button here that you can access very fast. And this is a place where you can create folders and manage your files. And you can also import them from Canva or Google Drive. That we're gonna see after. So you can start by uploading them, and once you uploaded your files, you can also filter by the title if you are looking for a specific file, or the description, because every file comes with a title and description. Then you can have the preview here. You can mark them as favorites, and they will be featured on the top here for quick access. You can do that here as well. You can duplicate, and then you can create folders as well. So every folder can have also folders inside with unlimited nested level, which is pretty convenient. And you can see here that we have two folders colors, because the blue ones here are not just folders, but they are your brand folders. So every time you create a brand, it will create that space as well. And inside you can put the brand files, and they will also appear here on your brand page, and you will see the files here. So it's all connected together. Then every file can be edited this way. So you can crop with a custom size, you can flip, rotate, draw, add some shapes. You can add an icon or a mask, add some filters, and that's it. Pretty easy. So now let's go to the next step, how to import a file from your Canva account or Google Drive.